on the street of Thanjavur. Cross பண்ணலாமா? Idli shop. இது எப்படி இருக்கு? நல்லா இருக்கு. சூப்பரா இருக்கா? So friends, we are now at a shop which is it's a clothing shop in Thanjavur. It's called Show Me. Yeah, it's in Abraham Pandidar Street, is it? Abraham Pandidar Street. So you can have a look on these collections. They have n number of collections over here for men. You can see the variety colors. Especially for men, and this is for men, right? Exclusively for men, yeah? No problem, alla camera varandukku? No problem. Okay. Idellame shirts ungala? Okay. What is that? Other? Shirt. Oh.
Bazaar, Thanjavur. It's a clothes street. All the ready-made stuff you get it here. So come to Burma Bazaar in Thanjavur. Okay. So the Market Street, Thanjavur.
Burma Street, right?
Burma Street, New Burma Street.
New Burma Street.
This is where the showroom there.
ரொம்ப walk-ins எல்லாம் உண்டு. നമ്മളിങ്ങനെ നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ് ലൈക്ക് വിൻഡോ ഷോപ്പിംഗ്.
Window shopping. The Hotel Jnanam. It's a good restaurant here. It's an amazing restaurant, it's a multi-cuisine restaurant, and we have given orders, and it all came in just a matter of 20 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes preparation time, and I would love that because see, if you prepare it and keep it, the food will not be that good.
Yeah.
So,
It's serving in a very hot manner, and now we have ordered clear soup as a starter, and later that we are planning to have all these like rice, some variety rice, and some naan, and they have got some their own speciality. Paratha, that is called bun paratha. So maybe if there any chance we get here, then maybe we can prepare it and show some, their own chef. So we will request for that as well. Maybe you also will have a interest on it.
See, what we ordered is, we have, as we are also a foodie channel, we would like to show you this special dish, which is a bun paratha.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. And it's a especially this is Thanjavur bun parotta. Okay, Thanjavur bun parotta. This is basically a pan fried.
So, yes guys, this is the bun paratha. It is like something unique that you can't get in some other restaurants. So what we do actually is like it's just made out of maida. It's the same kind of paratha, but what we do is we left it in the tawa for quite a few times. It get like fluff kind of thing, like what we did same with the yeast, like kind of baking
yeah,
kind of thing.
but it's a tawa baking.
Yeah,
right?
tawa
Rather
baking.
going for an oven baking, this is a tawa
It's
baking.
totally soft, and with the curry, when you have the mixed with curry, so
The
it will be
kurumas, yeah.
it will be fantastic.
Yeah.
Like,
Good.
when you're in
Tanjavur.
our restaurant, so you would have really tried this.
Yeah. Is it the speciality of your restaurant or is it available in another part
No,
of
it's a
Tanjavur?
specialty of our restaurant.
Your restaurant?
Yeah.
Okay.
You won't
okay.
find it in some
Very
other.
good, very good.
fantastic.
Okay, very good. So we will try it out and tell the feedback to all, right?
Yeah. And also viewers, you can also try out the bun paratha. And if you didn't really come out like bun paratha, please comment. We'll help you out.
ഇതാണ് സംഭവം നോക്ക് ദിസ് ഇസ് എ ബൺ പൊറോട്ട ശരിക്കും ഇറ്റ്സ് എക്സാക്ട്ലി ലുക്സ് ലൈക്ക് എ ബൺ ഇസ് ഇറ്റ് നല്ല இருக்குல்ல let me try it out.
We're having the
Yeah, with
dish,
paneer.
side
Yeah,
dish,
paneer
which is
butter.
paneer butter masala. So,
We'll try to have this.
Yeah.
Try this out.
how is it? It's a sweet or you have a mixed feeling,
ரொம்ப கிறிஸ்பியாக இருக்குது.
crispy.
உள்ளே உங்களுக்கு அந்த கிறிஸ்பினஸ் இருக்கு.
கிறிஸ்பினஸ் ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது. அது மட்டும் இல்லை லேயர்ஸ் ஜாஸ்தியாக இருக்குது.
Show them.
லேயர்
So we have Hari, who is our hotel GM, and he is well experienced young chap. Yeah, okay.
well experienced in the sense we work with all the major hotels across India. So he would like to say something more about his restaurant.
The first thing I'd like to tell is biryani.
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 Huh?
People like this. They just love the biryani.
Huh?
Because the thing is what we use rice is the cereal something.
Oh, Zira rice.
Yeah, the quality we don't compromise on the quality. We use the pure ghee. We don't make a bulk of biryani. What we do is like we just
Small
make
quantity.
small quantity. Like, we call it as a gunda. So in the gunda we make 20 biryani.
Okay.
Started with the restaurant starts. So we make one in the mutton and one in the chicken. So once it is completed, then only we will start the next one. Okay.
So friends, what he is trying to say is basmati rice is using Zira rice are using, right?
Yeah.
They are using jeera, right? That you
Guys, that's the one reason we stay here. So once you stay here, you get to eat good food.
yeah, and the masalas which they are
Yeah.
using is their own preparations, not from any other stores. They are buying it and using it. They make their own masalas inside. I think maybe that would be their secrecy, for the taste. That is what we can add on. Yeah.
The preparation, I would tell you, is fantastic. See, you take
It's
each
very
and
fast
every.
as well, right?
Yeah.
It's pretty fast. We got once we order it, it took only 15 minutes, not more than that.
Every dish, what we do is like we prepare in the time of the order. We don't pre-prepare anything. That is why it takes good time, but the taste we don't compromise. Taste and the quality.
Yeah. I think that is what the customer wants.
Yeah,
That is
correct.
what our friends also want, right? So you can also try it out once you're crossing down to this NH. Even not even for stay, even for food. If someone wants to drop on only for restaurant purpose, you can drop in very much. They are here to welcome you.
Hi friends, feeling sleepy. We're really feeling sleepy, really tired. We had a hectic schedule here in Thanjavur, beautiful climate, sunny. We went into the streets, markets, explored everywhere in the evening. So, thank you for all your support for
Yeah.
our travel vlog, and we'll be coming back again with another episode of travel vlog very soon. Till that time, bye bye.
Good night.
Step that I take is another mistake to you. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the